Do you want to find the router IP address on your Windows PC? Then you are at the right place, as we are here to show you how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. An IP or Internet Protocol address is a unique string of values that makes your device visible on the Internet or local area network or LAN. If you know your router's IP address, you can change its settings to make your Wi-Fi work the way you want. Now, here is how to find the router IP address on Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Find IP address by command prompt. To find the IP address of your router via command prompt, launch command prompt as an admin by Win plus R. Type CMD and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. You can also type CMD in Windows Search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Type this command and hit Enter. ipconfig. You will be presented with a list of different IP addresses. But you need to look for the default gateway, as that's your router's IP address. There will be two sections, one for Ethernet and the other one for the Wi-Fi. You need to check according to the way you are connected to the router. Method 2. Find IP address by control panel. Launch control panel from the Start menu. Set the view by to category. Open the Network and Internet section. Go to View Network Status and Tasks. Click Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Details. Check your IPv4 default gateway, as that's your router IP address. Now that you know your router's IP address, launch any browser. Type the IP address, log in with the credentials given to you by your ISP, and then alter the settings according to your needs. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.